Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to walk you through really quick to make sure that you understand how to get to the Romeo and Juliet slides. Okay, so hopefully last week you were in the week of April 27th, and on Wednesday is when the introductory materials came out. Thursday was the chorus, and then Friday was the first part of Act 1, Scene 1. We're going to continue Act 1, Scene 1 today, and so I wanted to show you really quickly what that looked like to make sure we're all on the same page. So I'm going to click on the week of May 4th. And once my super slow internet opens it up, we're going to go into the folder for Monday. And give it a second. I hope you're all enjoying the play so far. I know I love reading this play. So you're going to click on Romeo, Act 1, Point 1, Part 2. That's Act 1, Scene 1, Part 2. So it's the second half of the first scene of the play. And if you'll notice, I'm going to do this every day for you when you're in a slideshow, is it's going to tell you which slides you need for today. So the slideshow that you have, that when you open this, it's for the entirety of Act 1. So it's like 20 slides or something like that. But you're only doing a couple of slides per day, okay? So I don't want you to get overwhelmed and I can't do all this. It's just those 3 slides. I know on Friday I think there were 6, but that's just because we were introducing a bunch of stuff because it was the first one in the play. Generally, we're only going to have 2 or 3 slides a day, okay? And usually, most days, we're going to have something for you to respond to, not even every day. Today, you do have a discussion post, okay? You don't have to respond to anybody else's today. You're just responding. The question is basically characterize Romeo, okay? So when you open up I'm not going to click the link because I already have the slideshow open, but if I go into the slideshow, I just want to show you a couple of things about today, although it's going to be true all the time. This is a good example of what the slides are going to look like every day. Okay, so you can go, it'll start you when you open it up new, it'll start you on slide 1, but you're going to go to slide 7, and you'll notice today I have a summary of the second part of the scene. So you just read this, and it's just telling you exactly what's happening in the scene. The next slide, is a little of the actual language from the text. So this is what Romeo's parents said about him. They're talking to his cousin Benvolio, and these are some of the things that they say about him. So I want you to think about how that characterizes Romeo. And then another thing that you're going to do a lot of days is watch a clip. Almost every day you'll have a clip to watch. You'll notice the clip today is about 4 minutes long. So when you click on the link, it's going to open up the whole movie. Don't watch the whole movie every time. I mean, you can if you want, but obviously that takes a lot of time. What I want you to do is go right to the 9:38 mark, and then you're going to watch for about 4 minutes. After you've read the text and the summary and watched the clip, then you can go back into the discussion post and characterize Romeo. Okay. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you're having a hard time with anything or keeping up with stuff, let me know and we'll figure something out. I want everybody to be successful, okay? All right. See you soon.